is Will with MarineMax here in Jax Beach, and I'm standing on a brand new 2027 Grady-White 285 Freedom. This boat's powered by twin Yamaha 350 horsepower motors. You also up at the helm station, of course, have your MarineMax with your digital electric steering as well as your joystick commands as well. This boat handles exceptionally well in the water. Married with the CV2 hull and the additional beam, this boat measures out 9'6". Really, the ride quality of this boat is exceptional. Boat also comes with a fantastic headspace below with additional rod storage that goes up into the bow section, so you can lock all that equipment up if you're off the boat visiting a certain area. Back here in the aft section, you're going to notice this boat also has a nice refrigerator, a nice concealed sink so it's out of the way. So you're out in the water, everything's nice and clean, tucked away into the boat. You have two seats up here that actually move back and forth, so if you're wanting a little bit more of an additional lounge space, this will come out, as well as if you want your captain a little bit closer to the helm, you can move this seat closer up to the helm station as well. Obviously up here in the bow, you have a ton of lounging room, great space, very comfortable boat to either be fishing on or just spend a day out on the water, going to the sandbar, or taking family and friends for a sunset cruise. If you're interested in this boat, please come on by MarineMax here in Jacksonville. Would love to see or take this boat out on a sea trial just so you can experience for yourself. I do appreciate it and look forward to seeing you soon.